Yes, I was just talking to someone and I got disconnected.
Oh, I'm really sorry, sir. It was a network error. So can you just verify me your first and last name? Can you spell me?
Yeah, Hernando. Hernando.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, what is your second, how do you spell your last name?
Gomez.
Okay, sir. And what is your current mailing address that you're registered with the IRS office?
I don't know that I am registered.
On which address do you receive mail from the IRS?
On a, my address is 3770 Long Street,
Okay,
Ocala,
and the zip,
Ocala,
uh-huh.
Florida.
Okay, zip code is?
34471.
Okay, thank you very much for verifying me with the details, Mr. Gomez. I have successfully pulled out your case file. Now, can you just grab a pen and paper? I want you to write down some important information.
Yes, I have one.
Okay, my name is Officer Peter Wilson,
Peter Wilson, okay?
and my badge ID number is GS, G as in George, S as in Sam, 5368.
Okay,
And your case ID number is 295132.
okay. What kind of case?
Now, we have called you to ascertain your attorney's information that there is some serious allegation and a lawsuit has been filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service.
A
Are
lawsuit?
you aware about the situation?
No, no.
Okay, so I will just go ahead and read out the legal charges against your name, but before I proceed any further, sir, I would like to inform you that this is a federally monitored and recorded line, so I don't want you to interrupt me in between because I'm definitely going to give you a fair time to speak in the end. Is that okay with you?
Okay, yeah, sure.
So now, we have done an audit on your taxes filed between the years 2010 through 2014. And we found out that under the subsection 2.1 of the 7201, your taxes plus general interest charge of $5,632 is being unpaid. And we have discovered strong evidence that this was not a result of an innocent negligence. Rather, we have a reason to believe that it was a willful act done with an intention to defraud the taxation office. That's the reason there is a legal issue against you with 4 serious allegations on your name. The allegations which will be pressed against you are: number 1, violation of the federal tax regulation; number 2, violation of the Internal Revenue Code; number 3, it's theft by deception; number 4, willful misrepresentation of information to a government organization. Now, at this point of the time, we have decided to forcefully recollect this amount from you by involving the IRS code PSLA 2011 against you. This means we will mark a lien on your personal assets, including your house, car, and all your known bank accounts will be frozen and confiscated.
Oh, no.
We will be filing a notice to federal courthouse informing the public and your creditors regarding the government's legal claim to your property.
The
We will file
courthouse.
a lien on your official assets, and all your wages and benefits will be frozen, informing your employer and to the government bodies that are affiliated with it. Also, you may face 5 years of imprisonment in this case. Now,
No.
all I want to know, did you do this intentionally to defraud with the government, or it was an honest mistake from your side?
No, no. I never pay tax. Government do not know I'm here.
Mhm. So, I would like to tell you, sir, when we checked with your individual past record, we found that you are a genuine citizen with no criminal records in the past. Is that correct?
Oh, no, I no citizen. No citizen, no. At Mexico.
Okay. Okay, so we can provide you 2 options at this point of the time in order to cancel up the arrest warrant. Can I go ahead with the options?
Yeah, yeah.
The first option for you is either you can go ahead and fight the case legally inside the federal courthouse of Washington, D.C.
No,
And for
no,
that, you need to
no.
hire a criminal attorney for yourself who can challenge the IRS in the courthouse. The second option for you is of resolvement, which means if you don't want to get into any kind of legal trouble with the IRS, you need to pay the total outstanding amount which you owe to the government today itself on an immediate basis so that we can cancel up the arrest warrant right away through the local sheriff department and can also hand over the documents to you. So what is your intention, Mr. Gomez? You want to fight the case or you want to pay up the amount and cancel up the arrest warrant?
Oh, can I pay $2,000? I'd have 2,000. That's all. That's all I'd have.
Okay, so sir, you have to follow three hard conditions in order to make this partial payment, because this is the condition laid down by the courthouse. I am the responsible person to give you the condition. If you are comfortable with it, simply say yes to me, and if you are not comfortable, simply say no. So can I go ahead with the conditions which you need to follow?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, the condition number one, the partial amount which you agreed to pay to the IRS, this needs to be paid to itself on an immediate basis before we take this case inside the courthouse. And the condition number two is all the assets you have is under surveillance by the IRS, like your credit card, bank account, check, debit card, and prepaid cards, as it is your personal assets reflected by the Treasury Department of the United States.
Yeah.
So this payment needs to be taken care through a procedure called EFTPVS. It stands for Electronic Federal Tax Payment Voucher System. Well, let me make you familiar with this process and how does it work. So in order to make this EFTPVS, all you need to do is you need to have this amount in terms of cash with you, or if you have a debit card or credit card associated with the account where you have this $2,000 will also do. So the IRS has a collaboration with some of the leading stores in the United States, like a Target store. Do you have any Target store nearby you?
Target? No, no Target, no.
Okay, so do you have any Walmart store nearby you, sir?
Yeah, Walmart. Close, yeah.
Okay, so all you need to do is you need to go to a Walmart specific store and you need to go and purchase the electronic bonds for $2,000.
Okay, I tell them I need to pay my tax.
No. This is an electronic bond easily available at the Walmart store. They are not concerned with this case or whatever, the IRS or something. IRS has just collaborated with the Walmart company just to increase their business. So this is altogether a different issue. Walmart has nothing to do with it. All they do is they sell these electronic bonds over there, which you can get very easily. You don't need to tell them all this about this case or IRS or something like that. Okay?
See.
So you will get a receipt for the bonds whatever you are purchasing. You need to keep the electronic bonds and the receipt very safely with you, so that I can fix an appointment with a federal agent who would be coming at your doorstep by today evening to collect the electronic bonds and the receipt from you. Okay?
Okay, I see. Yeah.
Okay, so the third and the most important condition is the line on which we are talking is a federally monitored and the recorded line. And I want to submit this recording to the Attorney General at the end of this call as a strong evidence of your cooperation, which is definitely going to work in your favor.
Yes, thank you.
So you need to be on this line with me all the time throughout the process till I provide you the confirmation code of your payment. So now let me know, are you willing to go ahead and follow these three conditions? Simply say yes to me, and if you have any questions you can go ahead and ask.
Okay. Yes, I do. I'd like to do this.
Okay, so now I have a couple of questions. Have you called us from your cell phone or is it your home phone?
Oh, this cell phone.
Okay, you can be connected with me throughout the procedure, okay?
Yeah, see.
Okay, so now the another question is, can you see what is the battery status of your cell phone? Is it full, half, or is about to die?
It almost full, almost.
Okay, so now are you ready to go to the Walmart, or you need some time to get dressed up, sir, so that I can hold on and do the paperwork?
No, I go now. I don't want to go to courthouse. No.
Okay.
No
Okay.
courthouse.
So,
No
sir,
courthouse.
take before you go, take all the necessary stuff like a pen and a piece of paper, a credit card or debit card associated with the account, and
Okay.
an identity proof of you.
Yeah.
And once you get inside the car, just give me an update that yes, Mr. Wilson, I'm ready to go to the Walmart. And once you reach the parking lot, also give me an update because there are some instructions which you need to follow inside the store.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
So
Okay.
we cannot afford to make any mistake in this procedure.
No,
So I will be on
no.
this line with you.
Okay. Hey, give me just 1 minute. I'd be ready, okay?
Okay. I'm
Thank,
holding on the line.
thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias, gracias.
Okay.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Okay, I'm in the car. I go to.
Okay, sir, now the important thing is you don't need to put me on a mute or hold. Just put me on a loudspeaker and put the cell beside your front seat, and then you can drive safely to the Walmart. And once you reach the parking lot of the Walmart, just let me know because you cannot go directly inside the store. There are some instructions which you need to follow. Okay?
See, I have you on Bluetooth.
Yeah, that's okay, sir. Then how much time it will take you to reach the Walmart, sir? Parking
Uh,
lot?
5 minute, 5 minute.
Uh, okay, sir. No issues. I will be holding on this line and will be sending the paperwork to the federal department in order to cancel up the arrest warrant. Okay?
See. Gracias, Mr. Wilson, gracias.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm holding on the line.
See. Get out of the way, Slowpoke. Come on. Oh, no, 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 no. Mr. Wilson.
Yes. Yes. What
I,
happened?
I have wreck. I crashed. Hang on, please. Please, could someone call 911? Mr. Wilson.
Yes, I will. I will be calling 911 right now. Hold on, sir.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Wilson, I'm right here at Walmart. I can walk. Hello, Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson. That was a good one. Oh, we got him.